I'm Lee McFadden. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with additional subspecialty training in adult reconstruction, which is total hip and knee replacement surgery. After a visit with me, I like to have the sense that my patients have an understanding of what is going on with them, what their options are, and basically that they're an informed patient. I think that communication is probably the biggest thing with regard to making an encounter successful and making patients feel comfortable with me and comfortable with the direction that we're headed in. What drew me to Beloit was a return to family. I left home when I was 17. I grew up in Illinois, and after graduating from West Point, I spent the next 26 and a half years in the military. And when I finally had the opportunity to leave the military and leave my military family, I was able to return home, closer to home where I grew up, and be in an area that we really gravitated for. I'm not a big city person, and Beloit and Beloit area is perfect for what my wife and I were looking for. Restoration of quality of life, restoring function, and giving people their lives back is truly the most rewarding part about orthopedics and specifically joint replacement. There's tremendous reward there for both myself, but as well for my patients in restoring a quality of life that they desperately want to get back to.